Hi, this is Steve Stinnett with My Florida Dreams. Today we're at 97 Pompano here in beautiful Colony Cove. Excuse the boxes, friends, as they are getting ready to move and very motivated to sell this home. As you can see now, we're in the Florida room. It's got AC out here. Floors have all been redone. We're now walking into the family room. All the walls have been repainted. Dining room. Nice cutout in the kitchen. A very open plan here. You see the kitchen has been updated. Appliances, of course, are staying. Let me mention also the AC unit is only 2 years old. Newer refrigerator. Newer stove. As we walk down the hall now, we'll be going into the master bathroom. We've got a combo tub shower here. Nice lighting fixtures. Nice updated sink. New vanity. As we walk into the guest bedroom, you can see a nice ceiling fan. Again, just a nice open light feeling to this home. We walk into the master bedroom now. You can see this is a nice sized bedroom. Nice closet, lots of space. Again, very clean. Hi again, this is Steve Stinnett with My Florida Dreams here at 97 Pompano in Colony Cove. You can reach me at 949-973-7259. Thank you.